When your video flops, you may think it's the algorithm, but it was actually one of these 5 mistakes, and they're so easy to make. Fixing a few of these early on changed everything for my videos. It was the difference between 40 views and 10,000. The most important part of a YouTube video is something most creators rush through in 10 minutes. Even Mr. Beast, the biggest creator on the platform, said that he'd made this mistake, and now he constantly stresses the importance of it. So mistake number 1 is to do with your thumbnail and title. YouTube doesn't care about how good your content is if no one clicks on it. So titles and thumbnails should be right at the top of your priorities. So how do you fix this? Firstly, just spend most of your time on this part. Spend hours researching and analysing what the biggest creators do on their designs. It could double your video performance. Secondly, not every video idea will look good on a thumbnail or make a great title. So start every video making process by making the title and thumbnail first. This way, if it stinks, you save a load of time and a load of disappointment when it flops. And thirdly, please make sure that your video delivers on the thumbnail's promise. Don't clickbait as a smaller channel. You'll just lose trust with the few people actually watching your videos now. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Luke. Pause. You just lost half of your viewers. On YouTube, most viewers decide to leave a video in the first 30 seconds. So mistake number 2 is don't waste so much time on boring formalities. Most of these viewers are strangers, not fans. They don't care what your name is.
It doesn't matter what your name is.
Instead, you should just open up with your most hooking line. Use tension, curiosity, or a bold promise. Start with the viewer's problems or the viewer's goals. Don't warm them up to the fact that this is a video. Go straight in hot. For example, with Netflix intros, they don't introduce every character with subtitles. They just throw you straight into the action. So instead, provide loads of value. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the first minute, come on. This is mistake number 3. You've just asked for commitment and action before delivering any value to your viewer. They don't know you yet, and this just smells of desperation.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
And almost like you're making your video just to get something in return. So instead, provide loads of value. Solve their problems, make them feel something. Then after a key insight, you can drop a line like, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit subscribe. Mistake number 4 is that you're boring your viewers with your editing. One backing track from start to finish, and same old stock footage that everyone uses. It's too safe, too easy, too repeatable, and too boring. Give your content some rhythm, some surprises, some personality. So how do you fix this? Firstly, change up your background music when the tone or mood shifts. For example, I find it effective to use high energy music in the intro and outro, and then change up the music every once in a while between points. Also, use personal B-roll, memes, or even some of your own screen recordings. This will help you subtly pull the attention back to your video, or your viewers will just drop like flies. Now the 5th mistake is completing your first edit and then just uploading it straight away, with no analysis and no strategic changes. I know you're probably tired and you just want to get it uploaded, but you need to tie up loose ends and make your video twice as effective. So after editing, watch your video back like you're a viewer. Note down moments where you feel a little bored and you feel like picking up your phone, then go back and adjust these and add in some extra effects. These little changes might seem minor, but even 3 or 4 extra pattern interrupts can boost your audience retention insanely. Another mistake is that many small creators focus too much on reaching monetization. Little do they know it's damaging their chances of success. Watch here to see why.